I want to go across now to Gajendra Chauhan, chairperson of the Film and Television Institute of India. He's been in the eye of a storm since the day his name was announced. Thank you very much, Mr. Chauhan, for joining me on the newsroom. Now, 200 students are up in arms. A delegation met the INB minister. They've come back and said they're not satisfied. They still want you to resign. So what happens next?
See, this is the prerogative of the INB ministry. The decision of me being there is taken by them, and the future of this post, whatever it is, has to be decided by them only. So whatever the order comes to me from Government of India,
you seem rather downcast. Are you reconciled to a short innings as chief of the FTII?
No, no. I'm sure I will be allowed to work there. I will be allowed to go there, join their post. Some solution will definitely come, and Mr. Jaitley is intelligent enough to handle this kind of situation, the position, and as he has already assured, whatever the news I am getting from the media, that he has assured the students that some
now your
middle path will
BJP
come.
RSS roots are what led to this massive backlash to your announcement as chairman. You haven't had a day at work yet, so it's in some senses slightly unfair because it seems that there's a lot of prejudice going into the opposition. But where do you believe things went wrong? Because you're not the first political appointee. Governments in the past have picked who they wanted. Why did things go so horribly wrong for you from day one?
See, I'm a BJP man, there's no doubt about it. But I'm a cinema and television man also. Whenever the government changes, for these kind of posts, the government take decision for the people who are attached to those kind of media. Like I'm a man from television, I'm a man from cinema. So it was decided to put me there. I was interested to go and work there. But before starting my work, this kind of controversy has started. I am also shocked about this controversy. No doubt, people are talking about my stature in cinema. Maybe I may not be up to that stature of working in big cinema. But if you talk about television, I have been a leading man in television all the time. And I know the media very well.
Okay, so tell me,
moreover,
what would you have liked to do,
if you
Mr.
talk
Chauhan,
about my administrative qualities,
if you had an opportunity, what are the kind of changes that you would have liked to bring? What is in your agenda?
Sir, there are a lot of problems there at FTI. There's a backlog. Backlog is pending. There are a lot of other issues. The audit report has not been tabled. The digitalization has been done, but to advance in further, every 6 months it changes. All those things, the syllabus has been finalized. There is a pension issue which is pending from 73 to 82 with the staff. See, all these problems has to look after once I go and join there. ये तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि मुझे एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जाने ही नहीं दिया गया, क्वेश्चन पेपर देखने ही नहीं दिया गया और मेरा रिजल्ट आउट हो गया. मेरे लिए बड़े दुख की बात है ये कि मुझे आज एक ऐसा मौका दिया गया, सरकार ने मुझे एक मौका दिया है कि आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दिखाइए, and somebody is trying to take away that chance from me.
Chauhan, to your opposition is your RSS linkages. Now it seems that this is part of a saffronization agenda to try and put saffron appointees in different key posts, and they say that FTII, which really should be about creative excellence, is being saffronized, and that's one of the reasons why there's so much opposition.
No, no. Rahul bhai, I consider it both ways. I'm a BJP man, I'm a cinema man, television man. My credentials are to be decided by the INB ministry to put me there on that post. Nobody else. Now, INB ministry has taken almost 6 months to decide my name for this job. And within 24 hours, the controversy has started. So, my credentials for this job has to be checked by the INB ministry, nobody else. But somebody, any order from Government of India has sent me appointment letter. Now any further order from Government of India of joining tomorrow has to come from
it will
IND
be
ministry.
interesting to see
And whatever the
what
order comes to
happens
me, I will
next.
take it as it is.
The government will back you, but will the students allow you to perform? Well, as you said, and I agree with you when you say that this is in some senses like a student being failed even before he's begun to take his exam. If you'd made some mistakes, they should have come after you. Was this premature? Well, I leave it to our viewers to decide. Gajendra Chauhan for joining me on the newsroom. Thank you.